In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download code from Lovable. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can save a code file from your Lovable project straight to your computer. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Lovable dashboard. If you're not already signed in, log in so you land on the home view. From here, look for the All Projects option in the navigation. Click it to see a list of everything you have access to. If you work across multiple teams or workspaces, use search or filters to quickly find what you need. If the project you're looking for doesn't appear, double check you're in the right workspace or that you have the proper permissions. Next, open the project you want to pull code from by clicking its card or name. That takes you to the project space. Across the top, you'll see different views. Click the code view to open the built-in editor. This shows your project's folders and files on the left and the file content on the right. Now, select the specific file you want to download. Click it in the file tree so the content loads in the editor. This is important. The download action applies to the file that's currently open. If you have a folder selected, the download button won't apply. Once the file is open, locate the download file button near the top of the editor and click it. Your browser will either prompt you to choose a save location or place the file in your default downloads folder. The file keeps its original name and extension, so it'll be easy to recognize in your local environment. A couple of helpful tips. If the download file button looks disabled, make sure you've actually opened a file and not just highlighted a folder. If you don't see the code view at all, you may need additional permissions on the project. Reach out to a project admin to confirm your access. If you click download file and nothing happens, check your browser's pop-up or download blocker, refresh the page, or try another browser. Keep in mind that download file saves the single file you're viewing. If you need multiple files, repeat the download for each one, or use your team's preferred repository sync or export option if that's set up in your workflow. That's it. Navigate to your project, open the code view, select the file you need, and click Download File. With this, you can quickly grab exactly the source you want from Lovable and keep your local environment in sync.